In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find filtered spam messages on LinkedIn. If you've ever wondered whether LinkedIn has hidden suspicious or unwanted messages from your main inbox, this is a quick feature worth knowing about. LinkedIn automatically filters certain messages it believes may be spam, so if you want to review those messages manually, you can do that in just a few clicks. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your homepage. At the top of the page, look for the messaging icon and click on it. This will open the conversation panel where you can see your recent chats and messages. If you use LinkedIn often, this area may already be familiar, but the spam filter is a little less obvious, so make sure you stay in this messaging view. Once the conversation panel appears, move your attention to the top of the message list. There you'll see the Search Messages bar. This is the same place you would normally use to look up a specific conversation, but it also works together with LinkedIn's message filters. Right next to that search bar, you should see the filter icon. Depending on your version of LinkedIn, it may look like 3 sliders or a small funnel. Click that icon to open the filtering options. After the drop-down list appears, look for the option labeled Spam and select it. As soon as you do that, LinkedIn will switch the message view to show any conversations that have been filtered as spam. This helps you review messages that didn't land in your main inbox, whether they're truly unwanted or just incorrectly categorized by the platform. That's really all there is to it. The main thing to remember is that spam messages won't always be visible unless you specifically apply that filter inside the messaging panel. So if you think you may have missed a message or you simply want to clear out suspicious contacts, this is the section to check. If the layout looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. LinkedIn occasionally updates its interface, but the general process is the same. Open messaging, find the search area, click the filter control, and choose spam. It only takes a moment, and it's a useful way to stay on top of your inbox and keep your LinkedIn account organized.